This tool lets you quickly rename game objects in the scene and assets in the project window, all from one simple panel. Works with folders, prefabs, textures, materials, and more. You can add prefix, suffix, with optional numbers or letters that increase automatically. Modify names in one click. Remove spaces, numbers, or symbols. Change names to lowercase or uppercase. Find and replace texts in selected objects. Copy names from one group and apply them to another. This tool is perfect for anyone working with large projects. Organize thousands of scene objects quickly and clearly.